Ищите сотрудников на ХХРУ.
All right, what's up? Um, can you guys hear me? Can you see me? All right, how is everyone doing? And welcome to the live streams today. Today is Monday, 31st. I think the last day of January, right? Those on the Zoom chat, can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
All right,
Yeah, we
great,
can hear you.
great. I don't know. My camera was working. All of a sudden, it just went off. I don't know. All right, I wasn't expecting Richie to be here. It's a new week, so I allowed new people to join instead. But it's fine if you are here. It's fine. It's also good. Um,
Thank you.
I want new set every week. Participant. What do you? All right. So no camera again today. So definitely we are using my iPad again. I don't know what's going on with my camera. So those on the live streams, if you want to see me, you would see me in, you can see me down there, Office Justice, with the camera over there. I hope everyone is doing well. Let's get straight to the chats. Let's get straight to the chats.
Тинькофф Инвестиции ты можешь моментально вывести деньги в любой момент. Установи Тинькофф Инвестиции.
I'm like, yo. Okay, loud and clear. Great. So let's start. We have 12 people on the Zoom chat today. Nice. All right. So as usual, when we join live streams, this is what we do, right? We are currently 204 people on the live chat. That means we should get equivalent, let's say 200 people liking the video. I shouldn't always say this, right? Please do me the favor, let's turn this to 200 likes. If you just joined, kindly like. If you just joined, kindly like. Always, would you do BTC? Yes, I would do Bitcoin analysis today. All right, so just help me push the likes up. Like. All right, whilst I do the intro to the live streams as usual. All right, today is 31st January, the very last day of January. Finally, January is over, February is about to start, and we all know February is the shortest month of the year, so I expect February to be very much hasty. So we are going to trade Forex and stocks today, right? We're going to trade Forex, stocks, and maybe BTC, just BTC, not all cryptocurrencies. No synthetics today, no cryptocurrencies today, no options today too. So we are just trading Forex and stocks for today. This live stream is always 13:30 GMT to 15:30 GMT. It's mostly 2 hours, but I always try to do it an hour, so that I can focus on those on my VIP with signals, right? Enjoy free educational. That's going to be technical and fundamental analysis. I'm going to be doing both technical and both fundamental analysis live trading streams today, and I will share signals maybe after the session, right? That's what I normally do. But if it's always best you're on the live streams, you also understand why I took this trade. It helps you grow as a trader, not always copying signals. Okay, right? So you can comment. You must like that. I beg you guys should like, and you guys should like. The live session is sponsored by likes. Yes, Nite, I think. The live session is sponsored by your likes, so please do it. Okay, so like, comments, and always subscribe to you can share the link for others to subscribe. You can also ask questions, share ideas or suggestions on the comment section. Have fun as you learn, and no argument, no fights, no violence here, please. And you can also follow me on my social media, Elvis Justice Official _ that's my only Instagram account. Or you can also subscribe to my or follow me on Twitter, Man of Serendipity. My recommended broker is EagleFX. You can use this link to subscribe to it. Link for synthetics. You can use this link to also subscribe to also register with synthetics, and you can also join my free Telegram community. That's Serendipity Trade Community. That's the biggest in West Africa currently. And if you want to also pay for calls, you can use this link to also pay for calls. But it's always best you test me, right? It's always, bots can also fuck you up sometimes. It's always best you test me. And this is the most important part of it all, right? I'm not a financial advisor, right? All content I provide here is strictly for educational purposes, and I'm not promising anyone guaranteed money. The fact that you're going to be on the streams with me doesn't mean you are going to be you're going to be making money always. There could be bad days on the streams. Adhere to all proper risk management, and trade at your own risk. Apply proper risk management. Use or trade with money that you can afford to lose. Don't risk all your capital and later come blame me. Right, so that's that for the intro. 166 likes. Let's make it 200 before we start. We have 262 people on the live streams. Let's make this 200 before we start. All right, and where is everyone coming from? Where are you guys coming from? I'm currently in Russia, but I'm from Ghana. Me a Ghana ni ane me catchy so. Anne. I also speak French. Comment ça va? Ça va très bien. Merci. Et vous? Alright, I speak a bit of Russian too. Привет, 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 привет. Yes, привет. Ghana, India, India. Saptiha in India. It's a Tamil language in India. You say Saptiha. Niger, how far now? How far? Kenya, I don't know. You guys speak English, right? So hello. Accra, it's saying Zimbabwe, Shona, wait. Shona. Iwe. Iwe, Shona. I know a bit of Shona. I know Iwe. It means, hey, what's up? You know, like, kind of that. Kumerica, Namose saying, French should be, is it hello? No, hello in French is what, girl? I forgot, someone should let me know. Hello in French is what? I've forgotten my French. Spanish, yes, I do speak a bit of Spanish, but not professionally, like just a bit. All right, so 200 likes and we still sit at 183. We still sit at 183. Hola, that's it. Hola in Spanish. Yes, in French, bonjour. We are now in afternoon, so bonsoir, right? Bonsoir, ami. Comment ça va? Sunyane, it's saying. All right, so just one like, then we start quickly. Just one like, then we start. Voter region. We say I'm an Evie. Let me not disgrace myself. Voter region. We do say F1. How are you guys? F1. Slovakia, but I mean, okay. So nice to meet everyone. Nice to meet you guys all. It's an honor hosting you guys here. So enough of the talks. Let's get straight to the chats. Okay. Let's get straight to the chats. Today, 200 people are going to be lucky. 200 people are going to be lucky. Let's see. Right, as usual, yesterday I didn't post any weekly outlook because I had exam and I wanted to study. So I'm sorry if you guys didn't see me do any of the weekly. You guys didn't see me do any of the weekly analysis. I'm so sorry. All right, so first of all, we always do fundamental analysis before we come to check for our technical analysis, right? That's what we always do every now and then. That's what we always do. So fundamental analysis today, what are we looking at? What are we looking to trade? We have a holiday on the Chinese yuan. Okay, if you see CNY, that means yuan is a currency in China. All right, we have a holiday, but I don't trade it. Unfortunately, I don't trade it. So we are going to focus on the next news that we see. We don't see any news on Monday, so that means today we are going to be trading with pure technical analysis. So that makes us not need Forex factory anymore. Today I'm going to trade US30. Of course, I'm going to trade some other pairs that you guys wouldn't even think of me trading. Let's start with gold. What is happening with gold? Gold had a breakout on Friday. Captain, your mic is on mute. I hope this was an old stuff. right? All right, so price had a breakout. Price had a breakout, and price is currently playing around here. Price is currently playing. So what is happening with gold? Gold. I think gold, something like this is going to happen on gold. We still have a structure to break. I wouldn't be surprised if gold gets to somewhere 99 or 800 before coming down. I wouldn't be surprised. So let's just wait for gold. I still need more confirmations to take this trade, right? I still need more confirmations to take this trade. Gold is, yes, it's very very early to take gold now. Last time we took GJ did us sort of 40 pips before it retraced. I don't know who is holding this trade from last week. Who is holding this trade from last week? Okay, no one.
Not holding.
No one. Okay, let's go to the next pair. Someone says we should analyze Euro USD. Okay, let's analyze Euro USD. All right, so Euro USD is still very very bearish. I don't know why people are buying this, but it's very 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 bearish. I'll be looking for selling opportunities here, but this wouldn't be the right time to sell. I still need price to push up a bit. Price has broken off a whole area, so I think price could come back to this whole zone, right, or this whole resistance before pushing down. Right, so let's watch Euro USD too. Euro USD will come to this zone, then we will see a push up down. Right, if you're going to use your box strategy, this is what's going to tell you. Draw a box, price gets here to the resistance level, we're looking for selling opportunity or another preamp. Price could also get to this whole level too. I wouldn't be surprised if price gets here too. I wouldn't be surprised if price also breaks this level, gets to this whole zone, then we could see a sell, right? So it's too early to call sells on Euro USD, as I think Euro USD still needs to push up to maybe get to retest this trend line, but I don't see the retest of the trend line happening. I don't see that happening, but we'll see about that. Elvis, analyze New Zealand USD. Okay, New Zealand USD. We know that it moves with it correlates with New Zealand JPY. So same thing here on the 1 hour time frame. I'll be looking for selling opportunities too on New Zealand JPY or New Zealand USD. Right, I'll be looking for selling opportunities here. Right, I'm just waiting for price to retest this whole level, maybe come to this whole level, then I'll be looking for sells. Very very simple analysis. So it's a waiting game too on New Zealand USD. Let's talk about USD JPY. What are we looking at on USD JPY? What is DXY telling us? DXY is bearish, so yes, I'll be expecting some bearish move on USD JPY. I'll be expecting some bearish move on USD JPY, but then I still think we still need confirmations here, right? Once price is playing around here, we still need confirmations here. This is ranging, this is consolidating, leave it. Once you see price not giving you a trend, a downtrend, and it's giving you that consolidation thing, leave it. Okay, that is how you save yourself from losing a lot of money in the market. Saeed Bello says Lagos. Should we trade Lagos? Is it a pair? I'm asking of pairs that we should trade. Wow, a lot of pairs too. Okay, so let's talk about GU2. I said I wouldn't be surprised for gold to come to this whole level before we see the sales. So this is what I'll be doing on gold, right? Let's put a sell limit, right, on gold. Let's put a sell limit on gold before I forget, because when I move on to the next pair, it's going to be very difficult for me to come back to this pair. So let's put a sell limit on gold at the price 1798. I sell limit on gold 1798. Let's do that. Okay. Sell limit on gold. Sell limit on gold. I know I don't need to type it, but you guys can follow me through. Sell limit on gold at 1799 or 1798. Okay, let's do that now. The first trade for today, sell limit on gold. No, what's this? Sell limit on gold. It's about to be activated. Gold at those on the Zoom chat, please be interactive. Okay, please be interactive. You're not just here to listen to me. Ask questions if you don't. There's a new set. Ask questions if you have questions. If you think my analysis is going to be it's not going to go with what you are doing, so you can let me know. So sell limit on gold at 1798. Where would we put our stop loss? We'll put our stop loss here at 1807, or let's say 1808. So stop loss on gold would be somewhere here, 1808. And our TP, where would our TP be? Our TP would be focusing on somewhere here, 1787. Right, I think it's gotten triggered. So the sell on gold has gotten triggered. Right, so sell limit on sell gold now. Let's just say sell gold now. Stop loss. Stop loss. 17. Sorry, 1807. Yep. Sorry, 1808. Let's just put it this way, 1808. And our TP is going to be
1787.
Yes, 1787. So that's going to be our first trade, 1787. So just like me saying, sell gold now. Sell gold now.
I'm good at your sister. Oh, yeah, we'll come back.
So, Elvis,
Yes, sir.
so what is the risk ratio on
I'm coming. Let me type it for some people.
okay.
All right, 1807 is 1808. All right, so first trade, gold sells. Gold sells at that price. Stop loss there. TP there. Let's see how it goes. All right, so the questions, yeah. The questions, as
Elvis, I have a question. I have a question on the go. Like for now, it's like NFP is ahead and a lot of data are coming. So if we are expecting gold to go down more, like breaking up 1780, we must be expecting it on the data day, or it could happen before that day. Because before data, it's like you always say, it's always a correction.
on what time frame are you talking about?
I'm talking about on 4 hour.
Right, so there's a 4 hour time frame,
Yeah.
right?
And on weekly, like if we see on the weekly time frame, it's like gold has engulfed all 4 previous candles.
All right, so what are you thinking? What are you just thinking?
I'm thinking like long sells till 1770 or 1720. Like if it breaks like 1780, because recently it's failed
So
to
you're
break.
also thinking sales, right?
Yeah.
All right, so let's see. I'm also in sales. I'm also thinking sales. All right, so let's go to the next pair. I'm not watching the live chat on YouTube, but let me see. Let's see. Stop loss 1808, TP 1887. It's just like 1:1.5, not a proper 1:2, but that's what the market can give us. Let's just take it. So it's just like a 1:1.5, not 1:2. All right, risk reward ratio. Gold might see 1778. All right, let's see. Let's see. Right. Running few pips in profits, few pips. Nothing to make noise about. So let me change this to saying sell gold now. Like sell gold now. Yo. And what other pair? Thought you said 17. What did I say? I said 1787. That's the TP. Stop loss 1808. This is not going to be the kind of trade that this is not the kind of trade that we always use our risk reward ratio 1:2 minimum. I'm doing a 1:1.5 because stop loss has to be where stop loss is, else we could come for stop hands, then trade goes our way. Sometimes if trade can come for stop hands, you try to move stop loss far away from all places that people are placing their stop losses, right? Now let's talk about the next pair. GU, you guys should check it for me. GBP USD. I don't know why people were buying GGU. It's very bearish. I saw a lot of
Yeah, if you draw the trend line, it's like trend line confirmation here. Once again.
1D.
No, sorry. I said like once again, it's trend line confirmation in 1 hour.
GU has to come somewhere here. It has to come here before. Then there will be a spring, a kind of spring. If you know why curves, I explained spring to you. You know what spring means. Before a buy happens, I don't know why people were looking for buys here. So I'll be looking for sells on GU, but at what entry? Is it going to be a right entry? Yes. Let's sell GU. Let me see. Oh, someone tested me and said gold going well. Really? Oh, nice. 30 pips on gold so far. So GU, yes, I'm looking for sales on GU. So let's sell. Should I say let's sell GU now? What do you guys think? Goes on the Zoom. I'm looking for sales on.
Yeah, I'm also looking for sales. Like I have drawn the trend line since since morning.
Since morning, and he was just waiting for live streams to confirm.
Yeah.
All right, so let's do our confirmation. So I'm looking for sales on GU. Where am I putting my stop loss? Where am I putting my TP? So this is GU. All right, GU, we can look for 60 pips here, and we'll risk 30 pips or 20 pips here, or maybe let's say 30 pips. All right, let's risk 30 pips on GU for 60 pips. 1:2 risk reward ratio. What do you guys think? Nice.
Yeah, it's nice.
Nah. Those on the YouTube, we are doing this together. Don't just be a spectator. I want to get you guys involved. Trading with me would boost your confidence. That's one thing of trading with your mentor, trading with someone doing so well in trading. It boosts your confidence level into taking trades. Right, so 30 for 50, so for 60, sorry, 30 for 60. Okay. Right. But I'm not certain of this candle. The rule says never sell against a big candle. But then this candle too looks like a fake out to me, because you could see the direction was going down, and this was when a lot of people were opening more sells, and they got faked out.
We just did that on gold, and it's going quite well.
Yes, we sold
But
against
it might
a
not
big
be
candle.
the same for.
Yeah, we sold against a big candle. I didn't even look at it. Sorry guys, I didn't look at this. We sold against a big candle, but all good. Let's see. GU, let's look for sales too. I'm looking for sales on GU. Stop loss, where would stop loss be? Where would stop loss be? Stop loss would be 1.34677. 30 pips. PIPS. And our TP is somewhere here. Let me turn off on this. Right, and our TP would be somewhere here. US 30 sell. Are you telling me to sell? I don't get it. Alright, TP 1.33772. Pips. All right, so sells on GJ, take it now. Stop loss 30 pips, TP 60 pips, 1:2 risk reward ratio. Shorts.
You mean GU?
Yes, GU. Right, so everything on the screen, I don't know if I don't know if you guys can see it. So 2 trades so far. Okay. All right, so 2 trades so far. 2 trades so far. Live streams. Yes, we are selling GU. Always check GBP odd. So gold, this is a gold trade. You sold it at, it's back to entry, but whatever. But we still sold it. Our stop loss is 1808. GBP USD. GBP USD. Yes, we took sales on GBP USD. We took sales on GBP USD. Yes, so everything is on the screen. Everything is on the screen. Always go back to gold. Okay, this is a gold trade. This is a gold trade. Still good though. Let's talk about GU. And what other pair? Let me know.
Euro CHF.
Euro CHF. Okay, let's look at that. All right, GBP odd. All right, let's check GBP odd. GBP odd, right? Alright.
Yep.
Alright, GBP odd. Okay, selling now. Could we see? Okay. Personally, I would not do anything here. Though it looks, it had a breakout. Look at this. It had a breakout above. you know, it's had a breakout, could be a break and retest. That's why I drew this whole zone here before price goes up, right? So price consolidated for a long time. After every consolidation, after every long consolidation, price have a parabolic move, and that was the same parabolic move that we saw here, and we could see a retest, a retest. So it's like a break out of the zone and a retest. So let's see what happens here. It's a waiting game on GBP odd. I wouldn't be taking sales here. It's rather a waiting game here. It's rather a waiting game here. All right, I'll be looking for selling opportunities too on US30. I don't know about you guys. Or we should just wait for.
Should just wait for New York session or something.
New York session is in 8 minutes. And what other pair, guys? We will trade US30 later, a bit later. Tesla. Okay, let's talk about Tesla. It's been long since I traded core stock pairs. Very, very long. Let's try trade Tesla. I'll be looking for selling opportunities on Tesla. At what price? Let's see. Still the whole trend is down. I'll be looking for a pullback here before I take the sales. Very simple on 1 hour time frame. Very simple analysis here. This is me. Those asking where is Elvis? I'm here. You can see on the screen. CAD JPY. I'm looking for sales on CAD JPY. I did the analysis when I was about writing my exam today in the morning. I did took some nice sales. But hey, we've missed the entry. No trade. We've missed the entry. I wanted to post it, but I was like, I told myself that no, I'm not trading London session, so I don't need to take it. So I didn't take it myself. I'm just being disciplined. If you say you are not trading London session, you are not trading London session. Love your soundtrack. Nice. This is not mine. It's a jazz lollipop kind of. I needed to change everyone is now using Falcon, so I needed to twist it a bit. So chill beats to relax and steady, but we are not steadying. Our hearts are at play here. All right, so New York session in 5 minutes. What will happen? I may trade some pairs today. Let's see US oil. Not every day US30. Let's try to. Always please check USDJP. I checked it and I'm like, no trading, it's consolidating. Why do you want to trade in this? Leave it. Euro GBP. Okay, let's do Euro GBP. So far 2 trades. We told ourselves that whenever we come to the live streams, we are doing just 3 trades. So I'm just looking for the last trade, then we close. Okay, just looking for the last trade, then we close. The last trade, then we close. This is still a buy for me. This just looks bullish for me. This whole thing looks bullish for me, but I don't know. Let's still wait. Price is failing to break above this whole, resistance. There's a big resistance, and price is failing to break above it. And if you guys remember the legendary Euro JPY trade, if price is always failing to break above what the resistance, that makes it, the bulls are tired, they are done. It's failing to break above, so looking for selling opportunities short term and buying opportunities long term. I'm not going to post any signal here though, but I'm looking for sales on Euro GBP. If you guys want us to take it, we can take it as our third trade, but I don't want to over trade. I want to take just 2 trades on the live stream and take US30 as my last trade. I don't know about you guys though, but if you guys, your mind they will fit, take it. We can still take it. Let's see. Sales on Euro GBP. Let's see. If this is valid, this will be our last trade for the day. Okay. No, it's not worth it. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. It's not worth taking this trade. I mean, it could be a good trade, but look, how many pips are we going to get? Look at this, 24 pips. It's 24 pips. Where, okay, if let's say we are using 1:1 risk reward ratio, what are we going to use? That means we are going to be risking 12 pips for 24 pips. It's not worth it. Let's leave it. So Euro JPY, GBP could be good, but thank you. But thank you. It could be good, but thank you. In Russian, we say spasiba. Alright, so 2 trades so far, GU and gold. So far, GU and gold. We are also planning on taking Euro USD. Looks like the sales are becoming valid. The sellers are done, and let's see how many pips we can get here. If it's valid, we will take our last trade with Euro USD. Nice, it's valid. So 60 pips, we can target 60 pips move here on Euro USD and risk 30 pips again here. Alright, so let's take sales on sell Euro USD now. Sell Euro USD now. Do sell Euro USD now. Do sell Euro USD now. And let's also sell US32. Looks like US30 is good for sales. Nice. Oh, we should leave it. Sell US30, leave it. Okay, let's leave it. We'll post it later. Let's take Euro USD and we are done for the day. We are targeting 60 pips for 30 pips. So our risk reward ratio intact 1:3 on Euro Euro USD, and our TP 60 pips. Elvis, best session to trade. Elvis, best session to trade. Most important, analyze. I noticed that our trades last week on all forex pairs was a win. Elvis, you are selling against big candles. That's what legends do. Today is like I'm selling against big candles, right? You guys know the verb. Sometimes
Yeah, Euro USD too.
I'm selling against big candle. What's up with GU?
Back to entry.
Back to entry on GU. Let's just leave Euro USD. If GU is back to entry and there's a big candle there, right? It's a fake out, Charlie. It's a fake out. I'll take this trade personally. Euro USD, I'll take it personally. But if you guys want us to trade, why not? It's a very good trade. Forget about the big candle. It's a fake out. We should have had the sell here. This was where a lot of people had the sells because they thought that one candle is closed, another candle is open. You know, let's take the sell. But boom, this was a fake out candle too.
I took a sell in the morning.
Yes. If you took the sell in the morning, you are now at red. You know, or you are even out.
I closed it.
You get it. So this was just made to. This is an institutional candle. I will explain about that. You can find those on my courses. You know, on my course. Sorry. I taught institutional candles, so most guys here would understand. Those are my course. Algorithms.
Yeah,
Market playing against you before it goes to. That was exactly what happened. So I saw the gold. Sorry, GU buys looked good during the London session, but you could see New York session is looking like it's not good. Do you get it? Or we should just leave it. So we are 12 here. Who thinks we should take it? Take it or leave it. Those on the live streams.
Some of us are already in.
We could take it. Like we are already in sell now. No choice.
In it.
Because if
Right,
we take
that's
this,
good.
if we take this, we will not have 3 trades plus. I'm about to post US 30 plus US 30 4 trades.
I feel we should take US 30 and leave this one.
Right. Let's take US 30 and in the Telegram page. Right, so 3 trades as usual on live streams. Today, I don't know what it looks like I passed my exam, so I'm in a very, very good mood. So I sent the signals to the Telegram community. I will not do this on a normal day, sending signals like that whilst I'm trading live to the Telegram community, right? I will not do that. So tomorrow, I'm not doing that. Today, I'm just in a good mood. That's why I did that. Tomorrow, I don't know if I'll be in a good mood though, but it was a nice time trading with you guys. We are in shots on. I'll take EU personally. I'll target 60 pairs, put my stop loss. But for the public, let's just leave it. Gold back to entry. You can see I'm still holding it. If anything, I'll update you guys. GU, where's GU? GU2 back to entry, right?
Yeah.
All right, so G2 also back to entry, right? That's also another good trade that we took today. So I'm holding both of them for today, right? Gold sells, GU sells. Maybe I'll add US 30 to 8 later, right? I'll add US 30 to 8 later. So see you guys on the flip side, like Callum would say, 247 on the blog. All right, so thanks Uma for coming. Thanks Theophilus. Thanks Sylvia. Thanks Richie Rich. Thanks Chidi. Thanks Desmond. Thanks Evans. Thanks Bills for coming to my live streams, and thanks everyone for joining. Follow me on Instagram. I will be sharing some nuggets tonight live, and do share this link. Actually, do share this link to people to also join us if you want. All right, so 2 trades so far. Let's see how those trades goes for us. See you guys, and God bless us all. Same time tomorrow. Yes, we are trading same time tomorrow. Same time tomorrow. Same time tomorrow. And if you have not registered for the webinar, sorry, the workshop, right? Better do. I think I'm looking for 1,000 people. After 1,000, we would close. We will close registration.
I've sent a message to Debbie, but she
replied. Yes, there's a lot of messages.
I know.
She currently has 1,300, and I'm looking for 1,000 too, because my Zoom can allow 1,000. So, and it's not going to be a normal Zoom like I explained it yesterday. It's not going to be like I'll come here teach. No, it's going to be something different. Something different. It's just going to be a surprise. So just register and come learn. So it's going to be a workshop. Don't miss it. Are you posting your? Yes, I'm posting US30 later, not now. Let US30 let people hit stop losses before I come in. I know by now someone stop loss has hit. It's good. You'll be coming later when the fake outs are done. Then we would come in good. All right. So see you guys in the Telegram community.
See you, Captain.